Today we're going to be making a new desk. I got some wood right here, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it maybe 5 feet, a little bit over 2 feet, 2 feet, almost 4 inches. I'm actually going to stain. I'm going to burn it and I'm going to stain it red like I did the stools. I'll show you guys a little bit. So I did these a while back. They come out pretty cool. So let's get started. I'm at a stopping point right now because I ran out of this the wood filler. I had 2 tubes of this stuff and it's dry, no good. So gotta get rid of that shit. Gotta go back to Home Depot to go get some more. I just sanded down and it's coming along. So next step is going to be to continue filling in the gaps with the wood filler, come back, sand it down again, and then I'm going to burn it, and then I'm going to stain it. It's going to look pretty good. It's going to look pretty cool. I'll be able to have my laptop, I'll be able to have my lights, my headphones, my microphone, and I'll be able to have the Cricut machine on the other side, and you know, more table, more workspace. Let's go to Home Depot.